All right, so I just received this new cell phone case, which is kind of cool. Let's go ahead and open it up, take a look at it, pop it open, and oh, look at this, bam. What's cool about this is, look at this. This slides over, right? So if you put it in your pocket and you don't want to scratch your lens, there you go, bam, done. And look at this. It's got an extra little cover here. So you can put a dark cover on this if you want. See? Just like that. And so you got two different choices that you can use for this thing. So that's pretty cool, huh? And this is also, look, it's transparent too. So it's like a filter. But with this, you can still shoot through this. It's a little hazy, but I think it might still work. We'll have to try it out and see. All right, let's get our iPhone Pro Max. All right, so anyway, here's our iPhone, and you can see it's got I've got a protector on it, but we'll see how it fits in there. So let's get rid of all this stuff. All right, so let's try putting this in there. You can see I've got a protection thing on it. So all we have to do is basically just kind of slip it in. It's pretty simple to put in. Just got to smack it in there like that. Bam, there you go. And now look, cha-ching. Now you can, if you're going somewhere, you want to protect your lenses, you just snap that on there. Let's take a look and see how that looks. Kind of blurry, so you can't really shoot through that, right? So if you're going to shoot, you got to pull that over, and then bam, Bob's your uncle. You can do your shots. But I think that's a pretty good case. Let's check out and see if the side controls work. Okay, that turned it off. That turned it on. That turns the sound up. So the side controls work pretty good. It's got that little hole there, so you can hit that up to change if you want to listen to sounds. Here's all your ports on the bottom and your speakers. And yeah, I think this is a pretty good little case. I like it. Now they did send me another one, which is basically, it's kind of like the same thing, but it is a darker case, in case you like the darker color. And but I didn't get an additional one of these with it. So, but it works the same way, right? You know, it's the exact same thing. I mean, it's the exact same thing, except for this one's clear and this one's is black. So if I take the phone out of here, let's see if I can get it out. You got to kind of smush it out. You got to push it hard on one side. Maybe I can push it from here. Let me see. Oh yeah, there we go. That's the best way to do it. Push it from there, and then it should just pop out. Oh man, that was hard to get out of there. And then this one, just put it in there. Bam, done. And it's got this, you know, it's the same deal, right? That's pretty nice, huh? I like it. I think I'm going to use this one here because and I think this is pretty good because what it does is it does protect your lens. You know what I mean? If you're not shooting, that's probably a good idea. So, all right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.